Cheers to Easter.
Yay. That was really good.
I think it made my nose run. Hi you guys, and welcome back to the Crème kitchen. Easter is right around the corner, and I thought, why not make an Easter brunch, but make it easy so that anyone can wake up and have a fabulous meal on Easter morning. So let's get started. We are going to start with berries. We've got Lucas opening up some sparkling wine or Prosecco. I'm going to call this sparkling berries and cream. First things first, we're going to wash our berries, and I'm going to wait for Lucas to open up my most favorite sound in the world. I have a combination of my favorite berries, which is strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. So I'm going to get them washed first. While I have these draining in the colander, the only thing I really need to take care of is the tops of the strawberries. So I'm gonna take the tops off and then cut them in half. I love the sparkling wine because it gives it such a nice flavor. This is why the berries are gonna be sparkling. And guess what? You're not gonna use that whole bottle, so you're gonna have to drink it for brunch.
Life is what you make it, so why not make it great?
Well, I've cut those. All the other berries have drained, so we're gonna get them into our bowl. Super simple. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of our sparkling wine in here. You could use Prosecco, you could use Brut, you could use sweet. It's your preference. If you don't want this, just put a couple teaspoons of fresh lemon juice in here. 1/4 cup going in. And now we just stir and we wait. It's gonna bring out the natural sweetness in all the berries. I've got most of these berries coated. I'm gonna let it sit, and then just every now and again, give it a couple turns, okay? We're gonna let the champagne do its magic. Okay, so next thing we've got is a nice French baguette. I'm gonna slice this on the diagonal. I have a cast iron griddle, and I'm gonna heat it up to about medium. I have these sliced, and I'm gonna drizzle them with some olive oil and then lightly put some salt and pepper on both sides. I got the bruschetta going on. I'm gonna give my berries another stir, and then we'll flip the bruschetta. Lucas, tell me your favorite Easter memory. Because I know what mine is.
What you told me Santa wasn't real.
That's my favorite Easter memory too. Do we need to talk about this? Because I feel like you're still scarred. I mean, I was doing him a favor. He was getting old.
Wasn't that all?
You were getting old. You still believed in Santa and the Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
Lucas was destroyed the rest of the day, so.
I was a crier.
He was a crier. Okay, so we have our berries mixed. Our bruschetta is almost done grilling. I've got a couple ham steaks here.
Sing it over and over and over again.
I'm gonna make a quick honey mustard. I'm gonna do a couple tablespoons here of honey, a teaspoon of Dijon, and a splash of this white wine vinegar. It's a white balsamic vinegar. No salt or pepper or anything, because ham is gonna be salty enough, okay? In the same grill pan, we're gonna put some nice grill marks on our ham steaks too. So let's get the bruschetta out and we'll trade out. All we do now is brush this glaze on our ham steaks and get them on the grill. You guys, that is exactly the color we're looking for. The honey caramelizes and gives it that nice, I like to think of it as a brulee ham look. It's fabulous. I am going to now put our berries into the serving dish. Wow.
That's the tequila.
That is not. Put that
They are
back.
freaking burning.
Eva, can you please? No,
freaking
they're
burning.
not. It's caramelized. What
This
are
is
you
caramelized.
doing? Yes. I have lost all control of this kitchen. Look how gorgeous this is. This is why I'm behind the camera and Lucas is, this is,
Yup.
this is what you want. Honey's gonna caramelize. And if you put this on the grill, like your outdoor grill, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So we have, ham steaks are done, bruschetta's off the grill. So we need our topping for our berries. And then last but not least, you wanna do your eggs last. 1 cup of heavy cream.
100% real whipped cream.
Make sure your cream is cold, okay? And a tablespoon of sugar. And we're gonna whisk this up with my hand mixer. It's easy to get those soft peaks when you have cold cream. So when you get it to soft peaks, you don't wanna do it too much because you'll end up getting butter, right? I'm gonna add mascarpone. Oh, so good. They usually come in the 8-ounce container. So you really just need to think about dividing this into fourths. And you just want to beat this till it's combined. A hint of sweetness, but I'm telling you, the mascarpone gives it a texture and a richness that the whipped cream alone would not do. See how we're getting all of our components together, and it's so easy. Last but not least, and I'm actually so excited about this. I love brown butter sage. I love brown butter basically with anything, but I thought how fun it would be to do some scrambled eggs with brown butter and sage. So let's get started on that. And then we'll put everything together on our Easter brunch board. I'm gonna start by cracking 6 eggs into my blender.
It just isn't breakfast without eggs.
We already have the mascarpone open, so I'm gonna put a dollop with our 6 eggs. Almost forgot, pinch of salt and some pepper. And then we blend. 30 seconds, that's all it takes. I've got my pan on the stove heated up to medium, and I'm gonna put a half a stick of butter in there, and I'm gonna wait for it to melt and start to get brown. I put 3 nice size sage leaves in our butter, and we're just gonna wait for the butter to brown and take on the flavor from the sage. Brown butter is now done. I'm gonna take the sage leaves out, turn down the butter to low, and add our eggs. And we just slowly stirred them until it's a nice soft scramble. So I'm gonna get it onto the plate. We're gonna start building our brunch board, okay? So far I've plated our bruschetta, our gorgeous eggs. I've got some holiday candy.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
I'm gonna lay our nice caramelized ham directly on our board. Our sparkling berries, they go next. Of course, you might need a little grainy mustard to go with your ham. Don't forget to add your own personality to your brunch board for Easter. Your family, your friends will be so impressed, and it was so easy. 2 to 3 ingredients each for everything on this board. Now I get to see what my family thinks of our Easter brunch. All right, you guys, get a bunny plate.
No, I
Yeah.
can't eat it.
Yeah.
Cream is so good.
You guys, this has been so much fun. I hope this gives you some really great ideas while you're celebrating Easter with your family. I love having you in my kitchen. Please like and subscribe. If you have any of this on your Easter feast, please let me know. And have a blessed, wonderful Easter with your family. Until next time. Bye.